welcome to a new unboxing video of Made by Siem. I just received my Knitcrate, and this is the Knitcrate of the month of November 2019. I had a little peek at the color that I have in my box because I was too curious, and after I had a peek, I filmed my Dutch video. And as you guys told me that you really do like it when I do these videos in English too, I decided to go for it and do these videos in English too. Now, this month's box is super nice. I absolutely love it. Now, if you have never ever heard of the Knitcrate before, the Knitcrate is a monthly subscription box with yarn, and sometimes there are goodies inside the box too. Now, usually with the membership crate, which is this one, you get 2 skeins of their in-house brands, 2 skeins of luxurious yarns, fantastic yarns. I really do love Knitcrate's yarns, and you also have a couple of other subscription boxes. I think the Malabrico and the Mrs. Crosby. I don't know for sure, but if you follow the link that I'm gonna put into the description box down below, they will bring you straight to the website of Knitcrate, and you can find out all about the other membership or the subscription boxes that they have. I really do love the membership crate. Thank you, Knitcrate, for sending another box for the month of November to me. Thank you so much. I love it. All right. Every month you have a different theme in the box. You have sometimes 3, sometimes 1 option to choose from the colorways. Now, this month we had 3 options: the Energize Me, the Chill Out, and the All Naturel. The All Naturel is a beige color. The Chill Out is a bluish color, and the Energize Me is a burgundy purple color. Really warm tone of burgundy purple. Love it. More like the color of my nails, I think. At least. Okay, let's open the box. Ta-da! I love this color. To be honest, when I saw the pictures, I thought I really like the Energize Me color, the burgundy purple one, and the beige one. But as soon as I opened the box and I saw this bluish color, I instantly fell in love with the color. I adore this color. It is so beautiful, and this yarn is like super soft. I'm gonna rub it down my face just to feel it, and you do not feel an itch at all. But there is wool in it. There is 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, and 30% alpaca in it, and it is like the softest yarn. No kidding. I love it. It's a worsted weight 150 yards or 137 meters. It's 100 grams per skein, and the suggested needle size is 5 to 6 millimeter. Care hand wash, cold only, lay flat to air dry, and all knitology yarns are made exclusively for Knitcrate. Because this is the Knitology, and it is an in-house brand of Knitcrate. Super super soft. Now, there is something extra in the box this month, and I'm going to show you that in a minute, but I'd like to show you this month's pattern. This is the pattern, crochet pattern for this month. I'm going to hold the book aside because I'm not able to show you guys everything inside of the book. Now, these are the colors for this month, and as you can see, the burgundy purple one is, when you see it in a picture, it really does match my my nail polish. See, it is slightly different to the picture, but okay. For the sock rate, there are 3 different colorways as well. For this month, you have the coral, the GLITZ, and the anglerfish. This is the crochet pattern, and for the sock rate, you have the crochet pattern and the knit pattern, and I love the crochet pattern. I love both crochet patterns. This is the knitting pattern, and I'm not a knitter, unfortunately. I'm not a knitter, and this is a knitting pattern as well. Super cute. Then the next few pages are all about the patterns. Yeah, all about the patterns. Oh yeah, and the theme of this month, the theme and inspiration is Beneath the Waves. Dive deep with us for this month's inspiration. Beneath the Waves explores our planet's extraordinary undersea life and landscape through colors, shimmering textures, and unique patterns. Super nice. And the sock grade has the Vidalana Delight Sports Weight yarn. Super nice. And this is the sneak peek of the December 2019 theme, greenery. And these are the colors that belong to the peak. Super nice. Oh yeah, there is as a little extra this month. It is a and this month it is a lovely tea. I love teas. I love coffee, but I love teas too. There has been a time in my life that I went to England quite a few times, and every time when I was there, I bought so much tea, and I brought it back with me because I really like to drink the dark black tea, the typical English teas with a drop of milk. We are a British family with 4 generations of passion for producing the finest teas. Tea lovers in over 80 countries enjoy our specialty blends and call Emmet teas their favorite tea. From our family to yours, we offer the gift of Emmet tea. I'm not sure if I pronounced the name correct, and if I haven't pronounced it correctly, I am so sorry. Super nice. Peach and passion fruit, strawberry sensation, and mango magic. And I'm so looking forward to try out these teas. Thank you, Knitcrate, for the little extra of this month. I love it. I love the yarn, and I also love the extras in the box. So, if you want to give yourself a little gift, like for example for the holidays, the upcoming holidays, at Christmas or whatever occasion you have in the month of December to give yourself a gift, then please go down to the description box of this video and consider use that link and consider throughout my link to go for a subscription box of the membership or any other subscription boxes that they offer at Knitcrate. When you use my link and my coupon made by Siem, my coupon code made by Siem 20, then you will get 20% off of your very first order at Knitcrate. So if you're going to have a look at their website, then please do not forget to enjoy. Bye for now.